If you're looking for better balance and more stability in just 5 minutes a day, join me for this beginner-friendly health bounce. Let's get started. Go ahead and step onto your rebounder, and we're going to get right into this workout. Starting with an angel breath, drop the hands down by the sides, inhale, sweep tall to the sky, get length here, and exhale, release. Now gently press your feet evenly into the mat, and here we go. So you'll notice in a health bounce, your feet don't have to leave the mat at all. What's important is we keep a soft bend in the knees, your shoulders relaxed, soften the muscles of your face, and gently engage your core to help with stability. Press your feet evenly into the mat and think about pressing down rather than jumping up. Keep this gentle movement throughout your whole health bounce today. And hi, I'm Emily, a registered nurse, a yoga teacher dedicated to helping women feel stronger and more confident in their bodies. Today, in this 5-minute health bounce, we are going to improve balance and stability. This is a gentle, low-impact rebounder workout designed to help you feel stronger, steadier, and more confident in your everyday movement. And this video is sponsored by B-Can Mini Trampoline by Fed Fitness, and I'll share why I love this trampoline so much here later in the workout. Remember, your feet don't have to leave the mat. Just keep pressing gently down and let the movement feel soft and easy. And the question I get all the time is, how often should I bounce? And the answer is, just start where you are. If 2 to 5 minutes feels just right, stay there until your body is ready for more. If you'd like to stay connected, I send out a weekly wellness newsletter filled with simple, realistic health tips, inspiring stories, and tools to support you in your health journey. You'll find the link in the description down below. I'd love to have you join us over there. And this gentle bounce is also a wonderful option if you are on a weight loss journey and want to find movement that's kinder on your joints in this softer bounce. Many of you have asked which trampoline is my favorite. I love the B-Can 40-inch rebounder by Fed Fitness. It's great because it has a 500-pound weight capacity, adjustable tension bungees, and it's so quiet, which makes it perfect for apartments or shared spaces. It even comes with a handy phone holder and the safety bar. And if you'd like 10% off of your order, I've included my discount code down below. And today you'll notice we are keeping it very simple with this basic health bounce, but there are so many other fun rebounder moves. So be sure to check out my channel for more varied workouts. You are doing amazing. Stick with it for just these last few moments and enjoy how much steadier and stronger your body feels. Oh my gosh, great job today. We're finishing up in 3, 2, and 1. One moment here as we stretch, inhaling one arm overhead, exhale, side body stretch. And start to release that shape and second side, inhaling the arm overhead, and exhale, folding over. So feeling things out. How does your spine feel? How does your breath feel? Inhale, reach both arms high to the sky, lots of love in. And exhale, lots of love out. Awesome job today. Great job for sticking around to the end. And if you would like to learn how rebounding can support your lymphatic system, circulation, and improve your balance, be sure to watch this video next where I touch base on all of those topics and much more. Let's keep this momentum going. I'll see you in the next video. Take good care.